Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to freeze frame in Hitfilm. First import your video and add it to the timeline. Move the time head to specific frame where we want to freeze the video. Use the slice tool to make a cut at this time position. Press the right bracket key on your keyboard to move the time head forward by one frame. Use the slice tool again to make another cut at the current time head position. Now switch back to selection tool. Move the video clip away from your cutout frame to create space from the freeze frame. Use the slider at the bottom of timeline to zoom in and better see your cutout frame. Select Rate Stretch tool from toolbar. Drag the end of your freeze frame to right to extend its duration to your liking. Move the last clip up to frozen frame to fill the gap. Now when you play the video, it will include freeze frame effect at the specific frame. Adjust duration of freeze frame using the red stretch tool as needed. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.